If you spend time on the roads, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
She's seen you at your best and your worst. Through 4 cars now, some truly epic road trips, and more miles than you can count. But now, you found a companion that does a lot more than hula dance. Introducing the latest Garmin Dashcam. It's a standalone driving recorder that serves as an eyewitness to your drive. Featuring helpful driver alerts, including the forward collision warning and red light and speed camera warnings. Dashcam automatically saves footage if you are in an accident, while GPS shows when and where incidents occur. Play back your video footage right on the display. And what does that all mean? It means it's time to send Hula Girl back to the luau. Look at that Hula Girl go. She's still got it. The new Dashcam from Garmin, a better companion for the road ahead.
Drive with peace of mind with the A119S car dash cam from Spytech. This cam is low profile, making the camera less intrusive on your dashboard. Easily place the A119S in your vehicle with a self-adhesive mount, then set it and forget it with the auto on-off feature. This cam runs when your car runs and has impact detection to automatically save footage from a crash. The 2-inch screen makes it clear and easy for choosing settings and reviewing footage. The A119S comes with a better sensor that uses larger pixels, improving footage quality and information to hone in on those specific details. This camera features excellent, clean nighttime video, utilizing the state-of-the-art Sony IMX sensor. If you drive frequently at night, the A119S is the ideal choice out of the A119 lineup. The parking mode allows you to keep an eye on your vehicle, even while parked, especially useful when paired with our Dashcam hardwire kit. Protect yourself on the road and get the A119S car dash cam, only from Spytech.